Are you with the passports and registration? Are you with the Veneto Cycling Club?
Yes, I am, sir. How are you today?
We are doing random testing today for any substance abuse. Are you carrying any illegal?
This is the only thing I have, sir.
That's the only thing. Then please go on, carry on. Have yourself a great day. Thanks for your honesty.
Oh, I have one more, sir.
Oh, that's wonderful. There's a 2-bottle limit. You're wonderful. You've met your quota. Thank you. Move on. Nice and loud. Go.
BCC, 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 BCC.
I paid for it, and I would never leave the bike anywhere because in those days they would steal the bike.